Hi guys, in today's video we are going to do Suzuki Vitara 2015 model. So we're gonna start with removing this dash panel, and I will guide you how to install the stereo in Suzuki Vitara. So let's start it. To remove the dash panel from this car, you need to pull it out from here. So once you pull it out here, then you can feel this is coming out. Just comes out like this. So once you took that part out, so we have one and two screws here. Then we can pull the unit out. So I took the stereo out from here, just those two screws, and then you can pull the stereo out. So this is the harness. This is our main harness. This is our reverse camera, and here is the reverse trigger in that one, our radio, USB. Okay, so in this vehicle, so these two are your steering wheel control wires, which is green and a pink one. So this pink is your ground and this is key 1. So this is our new dash kit that I'm gonna use in this one, and you just need to put that one in here, nice and easy. This vehicle I'm going to install this Sonic wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto stereo. So here are some features, and about this one I've already done the installation. Now I'll show you how I have done it. Our GPS, that's our radio, this is our camera, this is the adapter that I've made myself. So for the reverse camera we need to supply a current. So from the current I'm supplying is that it's coming from the stereo, and I'm using a resistor. It's a 33 ohm resistance in between the power from the stereo to the camera. Just make sure you use this as well, because sometimes these vehicles they have 9 volt camera or 6 volt cameras that can cause a problem if you give them a 12 volt power. So that's pretty much it. I'll show you once it's done properly. So this is our wiring has done. This is our main adapter for the stereo. This is our reverse trigger. So reverse trigger is this one. This is a red wire in this plug. You can see this middle pin. This is a red wire. This is a reverse trigger, and our antenna. So this is our camera. You must connect resistor 33 ohm resistor to give the power to the camera. So that's the camera plug that goes to stereo, and here is the RCA, which I've taped it with the cloth tape just to reduce the noises. And here's our GPS. Here's our mic. Mic is gonna stick on the steering wheel. All right, and yeah, that's all we have in this car. So that's our stereo, guys. It's done, nice and clean job. Look at a menu here. Reverse camera is working, steering wheel controls are working, mic is here, all sorted.